Cho A. Today I will tell you a story that named Good Brother. Good Brother is the story from Cho A. Cho A is tales of filial devotion, loyalty, respect, and benevolence from the history and folklore of Korea. So let's start the story. In the closing days of the royal dynasty, there were two brothers named Isungman and Isun who lived in Taehung Village, Chungcheon Province. Because the brothers loved each other dearly, they always shared everything, not even holding back the tiniest morsel of food. Even after they married, the two brothers continued to eat their meals at the same table, having breakfast at the older brother Sungman's house and dinner at the house of the younger Sun. One fall, after the rice crop had been gathered in, the brothers shared the year's harvest equally between them. Later on that night, Sun thought to himself, "Now that I reflect on it, I feel that I have wronged my brother since his family is bigger than mine. I should have given him a larger share." He therefore returned to the field where the rice was being kept and without anyone knowing, took some of his own rice bags and moved them to the pile of his elder brother. When he felt that he had given a fair amount, he returned home. That same night, Sungman also considered what had happened that day, thinking to himself, "Since my brother married only recently, he must be in need of many things." He too went back to the field and moved a number of his own bags to his younger brother's pile. "Will this do?" he wondered. Because it was dark, there were no way to telling, but he felt he had given him enough and returned home. The next day, the two brothers thought it very strange. Their piles had not grown smaller, but remained the same size. When night came on, the brothers did the same as they had done the night before, and on the next day also, each had as much as on the previous day. "How strange!" Bob thought. "For 2 nights in a row, I have tried to give rice to my brother, and yet nothing had changed." On the third night, each brother again took up several bags of rice and headed towards the other fields. On a quiet road, bathed in the gentle radiance of the moon, the brothers met. "Who is that? Is that you, Sungman?" "Soon," Sungman replied. "Where are you going so late at night?" When the two brothers saw the sacks of rice they were carrying, they realized what had happened and embraced each other in tears. In the sky above, the moon also shed silver tears upon the brothers as it silently observed the happy scenes. How was about it? Is it really move story? I am impressed moment when the two brothers met on the road. I also have a little sister. After read the story, I realized the precious of my sister. Thank you for listening my story. Bye.